Scenic views are one of the greatest advantages a home can have. Whether it's open landscapes, mountain backdrops, or peaceful outdoor surroundings, these views add daily enjoyment and long-term value. For homeowners in Eagle, picture windows are an ideal way to fully embrace those views while enhancing comfort, natural light, and overall living experience. Making the view the star of the room, picture windows are designed as large, fixed panes of glass with minimal framing. This design allows for an uninterrupted view of the outdoors. In Eagle homes with scenic surroundings, picture windows turn the landscape into a natural focal point. Instead of breaking the view into sections, they frame it like a living work of art, making the outdoors an integral part of interior design. Maximizing natural light without visual clutter, scenic homes benefit from abundant daylight, and picture windows are especially effective at capturing it. Their wide glass surface allows sunlight to flow freely into the home. For Eagle homeowners, this means brighter interiors throughout the day without the need for extra windows or artificial lighting. The lack of grids or moving parts keeps the view clean and uncluttered, enhancing the sense of openness. Creating a strong indoor-outdoor connection. One of the biggest appeals of scenic living is feeling connected to nature. Picture windows strengthen that connection by visually opening the home to its surroundings. In Eagle homes, rooms with picture windows often feel calmer and more expansive. Even when indoors, homeowners can enjoy changing skies, seasonal scenery, and natural movement outside. Enhancing comfort in view-focused spaces, scenic views are often enjoyed from living rooms, dining areas, or bedrooms, spaces meant for relaxation. Comfort in these areas is essential. Picture windows help create comfortable environments by distributing light evenly across the room. Eagle homeowners often find that these spaces feel more inviting and usable throughout the day. Supporting flexible interior design. Because picture windows don't open or require clearance space, they allow for greater flexibility in furniture placement. In Eagle homes, this makes it easier to arrange seating, decor, or workspaces around the view without worrying about window operation. The room can be designed to highlight the scenery while remaining functional. Preserving the natural beauty outside, windows with heavy framing or multiple panels can distract from scenic surroundings. Picture windows minimize visual barriers. For Eagle homeowners, this means the focus stays on what matters most, the view. Clean lines and simple framing ensure the outdoor landscape remains the centerpiece. Reducing long-term maintenance concerns. Picture windows have no moving parts, which contributes to their long-term reliability. In Eagle homes, this simplicity means fewer mechanical issues and less maintenance over time. Homeowners can enjoy their views without worrying about frequent adjustments or repairs. Increasing long-term property appeal. Homes with scenic views are already desirable. Enhancing those views with picture windows can further elevate the home's appeal. In Eagle, properties that showcase their surroundings effectively often feel more valuable and well-designed. Picture windows help highlight what makes the home special. Making everyday moments more enjoyable. Scenic views aren't just for special occasions, they're meant to be enjoyed daily. Picture windows make that possible by keeping the view front and center. Eagle homeowners often find that everyday activities like reading, dining, or relaxing feel more enjoyable when framed by natural scenery. A natural choice for scenic living. When a home has something beautiful to look at, the window choice should enhance it, not compete with it. For homeowners in Eagle, picture windows are ideal for scenic view homes because they maximize visibility, invite natural light, and create a seamless connection to the outdoors. The result is a home that feels brighter, more open, and deeply connected to its surroundings, allowing homeowners to enjoy the beauty of Eagle every single day.